Hello and welcome to Conf42 Rustlang 2022. We strike back after the summer break with some amazing content for you to enjoy. This event was supported by our amazing media partners: AT-Level, AWS, BPB, DevIT Jobs, Forte Group, InfoSec Conferences, Manning, and Pact. The event opens with a great talk by Dmitry Kovalenko, lead software engineer at Lightsource, the art of programmating videos with Rust.
Hey everybody! Today I'm really thrilled to talk about the programmatic video in Rust and how to make the art with your code. I've been building an open source video creation framework for 1.5 years. It allows you to write some code and get the video in a pretty performant way. And today I'm gonna cover literally everything I know about the video, how they are working, how to make a video, how to render the video, and how to make it fast. Welcome!
In the next session, Team McNamara, senior software engineer at AWS, will teach you how you can get maximum benefit from zero-cost abstractions.
Hi everybody and welcome to this talk. We are going to be spending some time to think about how to really improve our Rust code.
Brian Sam-Bodden, developer advocate at Redis, is here to talk about his journey of extending Redis with Rust.
Redis is a popular data platform that is mostly known as a very powerful and fast cache. But Redis is much more than that. So today I want to give you a quick tour of Redis before we look at how to extend Redis for your own benefit.
Andrei Marinica, core team software developer at Elrond.
Hi. Do you know how for programmers best practices are everything? They definitely are for me. But sometimes extreme requirements ask for extreme unusual solutions. Now, I work on the blockchain. For us at Elrond, blockchain is that kind of extreme environment where we have to come up with crazy stuff all the time. And it's really not about blockchain that I want to talk to you today, but it's these solutions at the fringes of programming, at the fringes of Rust. It's the first time I'm making a presentation on this, and I'm actually very excited about it. So without further ado, fellow Rusticians, stay tuned and see you around.
Blazing fast serverless with Rust is the next talk by Luca Bianchi, CTO at Neosperience.
Hello. In my talk, Blazing Fast Serverless with Lambda, I will introduce what is serverless and which are the benefits that serverless computing can bring to your next app. After that, we'll discuss some common issues such as Lambda call start and why choosing the right runtime such as Rust can speed up things. So, I can't wait to see you there. Thank you.
Dmitry Kudryavtsev, senior software engineer at Forte, is here to show you how to supercharge your Node.js with Rust.
Hey there, my name is Dmitry Kudryavtsev. I'm a senior software engineer and I'm passionate about two things, JavaScript and Rust. And so I invite you to join me on a talk where I'm going to explain how you can combine the easiness and popularity of JavaScript with the performance of Rust. See you there!
EpiRust, building ultra-large-scale epidemic simulator using Rust, is the next talk by Jayanta Kshirsagar and Sapana Kale from ThoughtWorks.
Spread of a disease is a complex phenomenon. Let's take an example of COVID-19. It is very difficult to understand how COVID-19 spreads. At the same time, the way interventions work to control this disease, it is as well equally difficult to understand these interventions and how they work at bottom level. Agent-based models is one such way as we can build the model and understand the impact of interventions as well as understand COVID-19 spread in virtual model.
In our talk, we'll be taking you through our journey of building one such large-scale epidemic simulator and how Rust as a language helped us to achieve our goal in terms of scale and performance. Stay tuned, we'll see you in the talk.
The last but not least talk will be presented by Iaso, Archmage of Infrastructure at Tailscale. My blog is hilariously over-engineered to the point people think it's a static site.
Hey there. Rust is known for being fast. Very fast. It's also what I chose to write the latest version of my website in. It's fast enough that it gets confused with the static website. Want to find out more? Come to my talk. My blog is hilariously over-engineered to the point that people think it's a static site. It'll be great. You'll learn about how blogs work and the large number of serendipitous optimizations that have organically grown over the years. I'm looking forward to this, and I hope that you enjoy the conference. Be well.
That's all we've got for you today at Conf42 Rustlang 2022. As always, you can unlock all talks with a free registration. We would like to thank our speakers and partners for making this whole thing possible, and to you for attending. That was Mark. Have an excellent weekend and stay tuned at conf42.com. Cheers!